Hello guys, Mitch with Compass Drone showing you how to turn on the spotlight of your Mavic 2 Dual. You'll need to cable up a device to a tablet, and in the very upper left hand corner there's a little light bulb. But before you do that, you definitely want some cool rays. Alright, now we're ready. So in the upper left hand corner of the DJI Pilot app is a little bitty light bulb. Providing that the Mavic is turned on and has a battery, it'll light up. It's pretty sweet. So I'm going to turn that off and explain one other oddball about the Mavic. Your Mavic Enterprises, they don't ship with an SD card. Your dealer did not steal that from you. It's got 24 gigs of internal storage, so they don't need to ship it with an SD card. And for the 4K camera and the thermal camera, that 24 gigs will probably last you all day. So don't ship with an SD card. Use the DJI Pilot app, tap the light bulb to turn on the strobe.